In the world of oral care manufacturing, IVISMILE stands as an industry leader. Our own factory covers an area of 20,000 square meters. We don't just manufacture products, we help brands grow and thrive in the competitive market. From formulation to packaging, from production to brand development, IVISMILE is your one-stop manufacturer. We trusted by over 1,500 business partners across 65 countries, including well-known brands, major retailers, big wholesale dental clinics, and pharmacies. Our R&D team has developed multiple patented technologies helping brands differentiate their products in the market. We integrate biotechnology and advanced formulation techniques to create safe and highly effective oral care products. Our whitening gels strips undergo rigorous clinical testing, ensuring optimal performance while protecting tooth enamel. Unlike conventional teeth whitening gels, IVISMILE's advanced formulations provide up to 2 years of shelf life, making us the only factory in China offering such a long-lasting product. Our next-generation dry whitening strips are designed for zero-residue application, making IVISMILE one of the only 2 companies in the world capable of producing this revolutionary product. Choosing IVISMILE means choosing success. With our extensive expertise, advanced R&D, and global reach, we help businesses build, grow, and dominate the oral care market. Let's create something extraordinary.